Hey guys, again it's still raining and it's starting to become nighttime. And as you see, it's darkening up because it's nighttime now. It's turning nighttime, and the weather's still getting bad. It's still raining, and there's a lot of lightning still. Yeah, this storm is lasting forever. Yeah, we got a pretty decent thunderstorm, but it's supposed to get worse tomorrow. I heard tomorrow it's gonna be even worse. So I don't know how tomorrow's gonna be. I am nervous about tomorrow. Still hearing some lightning. The lightning's mostly over there, so I'm going to put the phone right there so you guys can see it. Whoa, you guys didn't see that because it was right there. That looks like a... Oh my god, you guys saw that! That was completely crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the sky over there. It's like maroon. And over here it's becoming more purple. Oh! We're getting some decent lightning today. Now you guys don't see and the sunset is already gone. The sunset is, there's no long, the sunset isn't there anymore. You guys are seeing a lot of lightning this time. You guys already seen more lightning than my 20-minute video. Well, at least a little bit better. Whoa! You guys probably saw that too. They're getting some big... Oh my god! This is a light show, man. This is like a light show. So I'm going to prop it open a little bit so you guys can hear the lightning better. This is really bad. Oh my god! This lightning is out of control. This lightning is completely out of control. Oh man. Holy moly. Yeah, you guys are seeing all sorts of lightning today. Oh my god. Oh my god. This weather is crazy. This lightning is the worst. Oh my god. I think this is the worst lightning we've ever got today. This is some of the worst lightning. The lightning is getting worse and worse. Yep, the lightning is just getting worse and worse and worse. This lightning is out of control. This is going to be a long video. So I'm going to be showing a lot of decent lightning, so enjoy this video. Enjoy this video. Probably be my best video yet. This will probably be my best lightning video yet. Because this is probably the best I'm able to show lightning. This is crazy, man. I am glad I'm able to catch all this. Whoa! That was crazy. Oh my god, this lightning is so crazy. Wow. Holy crud. Holy crud. Oh man. You guys can hear that lightning? Whoa, now that was crazy. The power's probably going to go out pretty soon. I have a feeling the power's probably going to go out. Probably going to lose power. Oh my god, I think we're going to lose power. I think the lightning is getting bad enough that we're going to lose power. If this lightning gets any worse, we're going to lose power. Oh my god, that light up the entire screen. I'm glad I'm able to catch all this lightning. I am one lucky kid to be able to catch all this lightning. So all the lightning's going over here. So, I'm so happy. You know what? I'm gonna put this video on my favorites because I want to watch this video all the time, so I can remember how bad this lightning got. I heard it's gonna be pretty bad tomorrow too. Yep, at least no more snow. Oh, thank God. No more snow. Now it's getting to the lightning and thunderstorms and stuff. In my opinion, thank God we're not having snow anymore. No more snow. Crud. Look at that. Oh, thank God I caught that. Whoa, thank God I caught that. Thank the Lord. Whoops. There we go, fixing my camera. Whoa! We're getting some good lightning tonight. We're getting some good lightning tonight. I feel bad for the people that live over there. I hope they're okay. Hope no one gets struck by lightning. I wish I could set it off somewhere without it going like this. Oops, sorry, forgot a couple lightning strikes because of that. My bad. That was not at a very good timing. Not very good timing. For some reason, no sirens, and we also didn't get very much hail. We got very little bit of hail, but not very much hail at all. Whoa! Thank God I got that. I'm catching a lot of good stuff today. I'm catching a lot of good stuff. All the lightning's over here. They're getting some terrible lightning over there. They're getting some just awful lightning. But, a month from today's date, guess what's a month from today's date? 4th of July, yep. And I'll be catching the fireworks on film on July 4th. I'll be catching the fireworks. Yep, I will show it on film. This lightning is pretty bad. This is some bad lightning. It's funny how all the lightning strikes are over there. And the other sides have hardly any lightning at all. Nighttime lightning is, as you can see, the clouds are already getting dark because it's getting nighttime. Yeah, this storm is so far taking away the entire day. I hope it's also going to be like this into tomorrow morning, I heard. We're also getting a thunderstorm into tomorrow morning. That's just great. I see a funnel cloud right there. Oh my God, I see a funnel cloud right there. Looks like a tornado. Probably not a tornado though, but it looks like a funnel cloud. Is that a tornado forming, or am I just daydreaming? Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? Am I daydreaming? I think there's a tornado in our area. That's crazy. Look at that. Surprisingly, no sirens. That is pretty weird. Looks exactly like a tornado. Like, it looks a lot like a funnel cloud. A lot of bad stuff is happening over there. Thank God I do not live over there, but I do feel bad for the people that live there. I hope they're all okay. Hope they all make it out okay. I hope everybody survives. Look at all that. It's turning blue right there. So so the storm is passing over here. Pretty soon it'll be going somewhere else. The storm will be passing somewhere else. Some countries are gonna get the storm late. But I'm getting the storm. I got the storm like 3.5 hours ago, and it still has not ended. Actually, no, 3 hours and 45 minutes now. It's about 8:50 right now. Whoa! That was completely crazy. That was cuckoo. We're getting the worst lightning over here. Thank God I'm filming over here. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. This is some really bad lightning tonight. Still lightning. Now I don't see a funnel cloud. Now it looks normal again. I don't know. Maybe I was just daydreaming. So it looks like the lightning is weakening, so I'm going to go ahead and end it right here. I hope you guys liked this video. See you guys later. Bye.